parent room workout number 3. We're going to start again with goblet squats. You can hold the weight up at your chest or down low with your arms straight. Just make sure your toes and knees face forward and they don't collapse inward as you lower or stand up. If you're holding a weight, make sure it doesn't pull you forward. Keep your eye gaze looking forward and slightly down. Next, we have a reverse lunge where you step one foot straight back and lower into a lunge. Again, the weight's always optional. One mistake people will do is cross their foot slightly behind as if they're walking in a tightrope. You want to think train tracks. Next, we have a glute kickback. Squeeze your glutes, make a fist, flex your foot as if you're pressing something heavy up to the ceiling. Avoid looking up. You should be looking down at the mat and not back towards your feet. Next, we have a side plank from your elbow. Make sure your elbow is under your shoulder and your knee in line with your elbow. Lift up, holding your whole side tight. If you are more advanced, you can hold the top leg. Next, we have a hamstring bridge, and while you are not moving, you should still feel a lot of work happening in your hamstrings. Keep your feet flexed, your heels digging into the ground as if you're going to pull them towards your body. Last but not least, we have a bear crawl. Try to move forward and backwards a little bit at a time, keeping your back, shoulders, hips nice and steady. If you have a hard time without dipping side to side or your arm strength isn't quite supporting that, simply lift and lower without walking. Don't forget to use the link in the caption to sign up to get this workout in a PDF form as well as other fitness tips.